Morning children, let's recite and enjoy. You have already learned this rhyme in KG classes. Are you all ready? Let's start. Hop a little, jump a little, 1, 2, 3. Run a little, skip a little, tap one knee. Bend a little, stretch a little, nod your head. Yawn a little, sleep a little in your bed. Which are the action words? Hop, jump, run, skip, tap, bend, stretch, nod, yawn, sleep. These are the action words. Doing words. What are they called? Verbs. Now, let's learn the poem Run, composed by Mary Daunt. New words in this poem: country, country, country. Raindrops, rain drops, rain, rain, drops, drops. Breeze, breeze, breeze. Breeze means gentle wind. Neath, neath means beneath, under something. beneath, beneath. Hillside, 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 towards mountain or hill. Meadow, meadow means grassland. meadow, meadow. merry, merry. Merry means happy. You all are happy children? Let's recite the first stanza of the poem. Are you all ready? Let's start. Away from the city and into the sun, out to the country, run, run, run. See, here you can see our country, India, sun, and here people are running. Into the sun means in the sunlight. Come out of the house and run. Run in the morning. Let's recite the second stanza. Run in the raindrops, run neath the trees, run little racer with each little breeze. See, here you can see raindrops, many trees, and people are running. Running is a good exercise. Third stanza. Run down the hillside, run up the lane, run through the meadow, then run back again. Look at the pictures. Here you can see the hillside, meadow. People are running through the hillside, through the meadow. Through means into the meadow and through the hillside. Whatever the condition, whatever the season may be, you have to run and run and run and enjoy. Fourth stanza of the poem. Run and be merry all through the day. Run to the country, away, away. Here you can see the picture of our country, India. India is a country. In this poem, Run, the poet asks you children to run away from city towards the countryside. The poet asks children to run in the rain, under the trees, up the hills, and in the narrow streets, all over the grasslands, and then run back. The poet tells you to run throughout the day and be happy. Running is a good exercise. It makes your body healthy and fit. So, run and enjoy. Now, do this activity. Write down 10 words ending with ing. Like, for example, run, running, skip, skipping, swim, swimming, jump, jumping. Like that you have to write 10 words ending with ing. Okay. Now let's look at the themes of the poem. What did you learn from this poem? Run. Healthy mind in a healthy body. Sports and games are important in our life. Practice yoga every day. Do pranayam every day. Concentration leads to success. Running is a good exercise. So every day you have to run and do exercises. Look at the pictures and write three sentences for each picture. In the first picture, you can see a stadium, a running track, and many people are running on the track. So, using this picture, you have to write 3 sentences. Look at the next picture. You can see a big tree, grass around, many people, there is a swing, and a child is swinging on the swing and enjoying. So you have to write 3 sentences about each of the pictures.